To receive an international wire transfer to your Chase Bank account, you need to provide the sender with specific banking information. Let's go through each required piece of information step by step. First, you need to provide the bank information. The bank name is JP Morgan Chase Bank NA. The SWIFT code is CHASES33, which applies to all Chase branches nationwide. The bank address is 270 Park Avenue, New York, NY 1017. The SWIFT code is crucial for international wire transfers. SWIFT codes are standardized bank identifiers used worldwide. Chase's SWIFT code, CHAS33, breaks down into specific components that identify the bank, country, and location. Next, you must provide your account holder information. This includes your full name, exactly as it appears on your Chase account, your Chase account number, the account type, whether checking or savings, and your complete address. Providing additional information can help ensure smooth processing. This includes the purpose of the transfer, the sender's complete information, and any reference numbers. Having all this information ready will help avoid delays in receiving your international wire transfer. Make sure you have all this essential information ready to provide to anyone sending you an international wire transfer to your Chase account. Having complete and accurate information will ensure your transfer is processed smoothly and without delays. Understanding the costs and timing of international wire transfers to Chase is crucial for planning your finances effectively. Chase charges a standard $15 fee for each incoming international wire transfer. This is competitive with most major banks. However, Chase offers fee waivers for premium account holders. Private client accounts often have fees waived entirely, while Sapphire banking customers may receive reduced fees or waivers. Beyond Chase's fee, there are additional costs to consider that can significantly impact the total amount you receive. Correspondent bank fees are charged by intermediary banks in the transfer chain and are typically deducted from your transfer amount. Currency conversion involves a margin of 2.5 to 4% on exchange rates. Now let's examine processing times, which are generally quite efficient but depend on several factors. Most international wires are processed within 1 to 2 business days. Transfers received by 5 p.m. Eastern Time on weekdays are typically processed the same day. However, delays can occur due to incomplete information or compliance reviews. To avoid issues and ensure smooth processing, follow these essential best practices. Always verify all account information with your sender to prevent delays. Monitor your account regularly for incoming transfers and contact Chase within 24 hours if an expected transfer doesn't arrive. Finally, keep all documentation for compliance and tax purposes. Understanding these fees, timing expectations, and best practices will help ensure your international wire transfers to Chase are processed smoothly and efficiently.